You've probably heard of 401k plans, but you may not have learned much about them in the past, or you may have had trouble making sense of the details. This guide to what is a 401k plan will help you understand how this financial instrument works and how you can use it to your advantage, whether you're just starting out with your first job or working your way up the corporate ladder to retirement. What is a 401k? A 401k is a retirement savings plan sponsored by an employer. It lets workers save and invest a portion of their salary before taxes are taken out. Taxes on the saved money are deferred until withdrawals are made during retirement. The primary benefit of a 401k plan is that it helps employees set aside money for retirement on a tax-deferred basis. This means that contributions to the plan are taken out of an employee's paycheck before taxes are calculated, thus reducing their current taxable income. Additionally, investment earnings within the plan are tax-deferred until they are withdrawn in retirement. The combination of these two advantages can potentially result in significant tax savings over time. Employers may also offer a match on 401k contributions, which gives workers an additional incentive to save for retirement. Generally, employers will match a percentage of the amount an employee contributes, up to a certain amount. As an example, an employer might match 50% of the first 6% of an employee's salary contributed to the 401k. So, if an employee earned $50,000 and contributed 6%, $3,000, the employer would contribute $1,500. In addition to offering potential tax savings and employer matching contributions, 401k plans offer another advantage: flexibility. Employees can decide how much to contribute each year and can switch investments within the plan as their needs change. By understanding how a 401k works and taking advantage of the benefits offered, employees can make the most of their retirement savings and set themselves up for success in the future. So, who can have a 401k plan? Generally speaking, any full-time or part-time employee can participate in a 401k plan, as long as their employer offers it and they meet certain eligibility requirements. Some employers may require that employees be over the age of 21 or have worked for the company for a minimum amount of time before they are eligible to contribute to the plan. Additionally, some employers may impose a vesting schedule, which requires employees to wait a certain amount of time before they are allowed to withdraw funds from the plan without penalty. As with all investments, it is important to do your research before investing in a 401k plan. Make sure you understand the fees and expenses associated with the plan, as well as the risks and rewards of different investment options. By taking the time to understand the details of your plan, you will be better prepared to make smart decisions when it comes to investing your hard-earned money. Subscribe to Investor Web for more interesting videos.